Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Previously, I would like to allow myself to introduce myself first. My name is Reni Suwandi Adepuspita from S1 Accounting B 2019. On this occasion, I will the presentation about Sminhart proposal skripsi, the influence of ability to prepare financial statement, financial literacy, financial technology on MSME performance. Case study an MSME registered at the S Jakarta UMKM and Cooperative Service. Discussion. Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Chapter 3, Research Method. Chapter 1, Introduction. 1.1, Research Background. MSME have an important role of the Indonesian economy because they make a significant contribution, especially in the formation of gross domestic product and employment. However, MSME development still face various obstacles, one of which is access to finance. This is due to the limited ability of MSME to produce financial reports, which are the main tool for financial institutions to assess creditworthiness. The quality of MSME report in the East Jakarta region is still low. This is shown by the fact that most MSME actors have not kept record or bookkeeping regularly and are supported by the low education of MSME actors. Most of the educational background are non-academic, so that the knowledge of financial report is lacking. Lack of information or outreach and training for MSME regarding financial reporting for MSME. The ability to prepare financial report in question in intellectual ability. Therefore, an entrepreneur who is able to make financial report correctly will eventually result in increased business performance. The emergence of an increase in the number of MSME is actually accompanied by the emergence of various kinds of problems such as compiling financial report. The low ability to prepare financial report owned by MSME actor is influenced by a lack of accounting knowledge, training, education level of MSME, and the existence of phenomena such as MSME actor who often have double duties in running their business, paying little attention to financial management. The Indonesian Institute of Accountants, or IAI, has issued Micro, Small, and Medium Entity Financial Accounting Standard, or SAK-EMKM, to help Indonesia MSME to become more transparent, efficient, and accountable. The press release for the 202 National Financial Literacy and Inclusion Survey explained that in order to measure the financial literacy and inclusion index of the Indonesian people, the Financial Service Authority (OJK) is again holding the National Financial Literacy and Inclusion Survey using methods, parameter, and the same indicator, namely the Financial Literacy Index, which consists of the parameter of knowledge, skill, belief, attitude, and behavior, while the Financial Inclusion Index uses the parameter of use. Financial literacy is knowledge and understanding of various financial fields that have a direct influence on business continuity. Financial literacy includes knowledge of financial planning and management. Based on the description above, it is interesting to conduct research on the influence of the ability to prepare financial statement, financial literacy, financial technology on MSME performance. Case study of MSME registered at the ACE Jakarta MSME and Cooperative Service. In research question 1. Does the ability to prepare financial report affect the performance of MSME? 2. Does the ability to develop financial literacy affect the performance of MSME? 3. Does the ability to develop financial technology affect the performance of MSME? In the purpose research 1. To test and analyze the ability to compile financial statement to improve the performance of MSME. 2. To test and analyze financial literacy affect the performance of MSME. 3. To test and analyze financial technology affect the performance of MSME. Research benefit 1. Adding reference and being used as a research reference for the field of accounting, especially the ability to compile financial statement, financial literacy, and financial technology for MSME. There is evidence of the research gap contained in previous studies. 2. Practical benefits for stakeholder. This research is expected to provide consideration for stakeholders regarding the importance of applying the ability to compile financial report, financial literacy, and financial technology to improve the performance. B. This research is expected to be able to provide consideration for a company to provide training activities in preparing financial report, source of capital, and digital payment transaction. And for academy, this research results of this research are expected to be useful as a learning tool in order to increase knowledge for readers. Chapter 2. Literature Review. Supporting theories. Ability to prepare financial statement. MSME. Actors who have the ability to compile financial statement properly according to financial accounting standard will be wiser in channeling their funds to advance their business and obtain calculation data in determining how much capital must be spent and how much profit will be obtained. Financial literacy. Financial literacy is knowledge and understanding of various fields of finance. Financial technology. Fintech is a technology-based financial service information. Performance. Performance is a process of work result produced by employees through several aspects that must be passed and has stages to achieve it and aims to improve the performance of the employee itself. UMKM, MSME are considered the backbone of the economy in Indonesia. Their strong, dynamic, and efficient characteristics are be able to encourage the nation's economic development. Result of preview research and research gap. Monica Dewi Ilah Rahma and Susanti. This research that has been carried out has obtained the result. The ability to compile financial report, financial literacy, and the use of information technology have a joint influence. The ability to compile financial statement has a positive and significant. Financial literacy has a positive effect with a significant. The use of information technology has a positive effect with a significant. 2. Teti Rahmawati. This research that has been carried out has obtained the result. The implementation of SAK ETA provides a strong indication that the quality of financial statement affects the ease of access to banking capital. 3. Loh Gede Kusuma Dewi. This research that has been carried out has obtained the result. Almost all medium-sized business actors know about the basics of accounting and the rules regarding SAK-MKM so that they are ready and able to compile quality financial statements. 4. Merely, this research that has been carried out has obtained the result. Financial inclusion has no effect on the performance and sustainability of the MSME sector. And while financial literacy has an influence on the performance and sustainability of the MSME sector. 5. Irnawati. This research that has been carried out has obtained the result financial technology doesn't moderate the influence of financial inclusion, financial literacy, and financial behavior on company performance. Rizka Rustikawati. This research that has been carried out obtained the result in have influence. 7. Beni Suhendra. This research that has been carried out has obtained the result. The ability to compile financial report and the competence of MSME have a positive effect. 8. Muhammad Fajar. This research that has been carried out has obtained the result. Fintech has considerable potential for the development of MSME of Indonesia. 9. Hairina Farina. This research that has been carried out has obtained the result. The quality of MSME financial report in the East Jakarta area is still less than expected because most MSME actors do not have knowledge of financial statement, forget information, socialization, training or seminar about SAK, ETAP or SAK, MKM. Theoretical framework and hypothesis development. This is theoretical framework. Hypothesis development. 1. Ability to compile financial report on the performance of MSME. Hypothesis 1. Ability to prepare financial statement on MSME performance. 2. Financial literacy on MSME performance. Hypothesis 2. Financial literacy toward MSME performance. 3. Financial technology on MSME performance. Hypothesis 3. Financial technology on MSME performance. Chapter 3. Literature methods. This is time and date. Research conduct this study for 5 months. The data collection point for this study is the East Jakarta area. This is quantitative and for the analysis data is SPSS. Population and sample. The population in this study is the manager or of owners of MSME located in the East Jakarta area. The sample use the purposive sampling method. The unit of analysis on the study in the performance of MSME. The number of sample in the study was MSME actor in the East Jakarta area. The sample selection technique, probability sampling with purposive sampling method. This is 4 points. Instrument development. Financial statement X1. Able to master how to make financial report to manage their business. Financial literacy X2. 1. General financial knowledge, save and borrow, asuransi, and investasi. Financial technology. The indicator 1. Financial technology will provide chance in innovating in the financial industry. 2. Using financial technology will facilitate payments. 3. Bank is a digital financial product that suit people needs. The customer understand the digital banking system. Peer-to-peer lending investment provides good opportunities for business actors. Peer-to-peer lending has many investment risks that not understood by business actors. Digital insurance has a greater risk compared to non-digital insurance. Business actors are more interested in using digital insurance for their business. Business funding on a large scale using crowdfunding is understood by business sector. Business funding on a large scale using crowdfunding is understood by MSME. Thank you.